Hi, today we're going to be doing a tutorial demonstration on how to perform deep breathing exercises to determine heart rate variability. The test consists of 9 cycles of respiration for 90 seconds with the patient in a supine position, during which we will record a continuous EKG. Each cycle consists of 5 seconds of inspiration and 5 seconds of expiration, and the cycle will repeat 9 times. Every time you perform the test, there are 2 main points you'll want to keep in mind. Number 1, make sure the patient is maximizing their lung capacity. This means they should inhale slowly and fully for the entire 5 seconds until their lungs are completely filled. And likewise, they should exhale slowly and evenly for 5 seconds so that their lungs are empty at the start of the next cycle. Number 2, look for consistency in their cycles. Ideally, the participant will use the same effort for all 9 cycles. It can help to give the patient a couple practice cycles so he or she completely understands what is required. Each test will proceed as follows. Step 1. Position the patient supine and attach the EKG leads. Allow 2 to 3 minutes before the test begins so that the patient becomes accustomed to that position. Make sure the signal from the EKG is clear. Step 2. Tell the patient what the test involves, and be sure to emphasize how they should maximize their lung capacity and keep each cycle consistent. Step 3. Allow the patient a couple practice cycles to get the hang of the exercise. Watch and give further instructions if necessary. Step 4. After telling the patient to prepare, start the EKG when you start the recording. This will make the analysis later easier. Step 5. Stop the EKG when the recording ends. One more note, all EKG machines are different. You will have to determine when to start and stop the machine to get a usable tracing. This may take a couple practice runs and analyses. Now we will demonstrate the procedure. The patient has been lying supine for a couple minutes and the EKG leads are connected. Now I'm going to explain to him the rules of the test. For this test, I want you to breathe in time with the recording. It will tell you to breathe in for 5 seconds and out for 5 seconds, and to repeat that process 9 times for 90 seconds. With each inhale, I want you to breathe slowly and fully for the full 5 seconds so that your lungs are completely filled, and for each exhale, I want you to breathe out slowly and fully for 5 seconds so that your lungs are completely empty before the beginning of the next test. We will repeat each cycle 9 times. I'm going to play the recording in just a moment, and I want you to start breathing when you hear the recording. Now when I press play on the recording, I'm immediately going to start the EKG. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5, and out. 2, 3, 4, 5, and in. 2, 3, 4, 5, and out. 2, 3, 4, 5, and in. 2, 3, 4, 5, and out. 2, 3, 4, 5, and in. 2, 3, 4, 5, and out. 2, 3, 4, 5, and in. 2, 3, 4, 5, and out. 2, 3, 4, 5, and in. 2, 3, 4, 5, and out. 2, 3, 4, 5, and in. 2, 3, 4, 5, and out. 2, 3, 4, 5, and in. 2, 3, 4, 5, and out. 2, 3, 4, 5, and in. 2, 3, 4, 5, and out. 2, 3, 4, 5. Notice that I ended the EKG immediately as the recording ended. This way you produce a 90-second strip each time. Also notice that the participant's chest moved up and down evenly with each cycle of respiration. It'll take a couple tries for your team to be able to do this consistently, but you'll want to practice because consistency is very important. That's all for now. Good luck.